Hello loves, welcome to today's video. This unit is from Ashimary. I will have everything linked down below in the description box. This unit came along with some nice goodies, girl. So I got this clutch purse, which is super cute, along with some more goodies and along with a robe. But I'm super excited about this unit in particular because this is a ready to go wig. Like, girl, it's so beginner friendly. It does have highlights in. This is a 5x5 transparent lace closure wig, and as you can see, the lace is already pre-cut, the knots are already pre-bleached. This is the inside construction. It comes with an adjustable band for added security, and this is what it looks like as soon as I apply it. And I'm going to show you how well it just blends automatically. Look at that. Look how the lace just blends with my skin, and I am going to tack it down just right here at the corners, but other than that, I'm not applying any other product. Like, you can definitely wear this glueless, and I'm just going to take this band that they sent over and just let it sit for about 5 minutes just so everything can dry. And this is just preference. You can definitely just throw this wig on and go, just depending on the style. But I am going to show you a another style at the end, so you can wear this in the natural state, the body wave, but I'm going to straighten it out, and I'm also going to show you another style.
Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building buyers with my friends. I'm about handling my business, no time for stress over bush. You think success is an option?
For the parting, I am going to take my powder foundation and just add this to the parting to define the parts and also to camouflage the wig cap. So as you can see, you can't even tell where the wig cap begins, and I'm just brushing everything down. This is how it looks straight. It looks amazing, but I wanted to do a little style and kind of switch it up, just show you how versatile this wig is. And that's just me lifting it up to show you that, like, I did not really tack this wig down, but it holds a nice curl and it curls nicely. Look at that curl. But I wanted to do just like a little nice cute half up style, I guess you could call it. But this is how I achieved it, and that's basically the finished look. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you're interested in this unit, like always, I will have everything linked down below in the description box, so guys, make sure you check it out. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about this unit. Like, look at that curl. Like, this hair curls amazing. Okay, so yeah, leave me a comment down below, let me know your thoughts on this unit, and I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you continue to watch for the finished look.
My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like, who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on that leg for it. Count down for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time.